Have you been wondering how to learn English? Well, learning a new language was never been so easy. There are many ways to learn English, as each person has different learning style, abilities and goals in life. There is no one size fits all solution for everyone. Does it? Obviously not. Hi, I am Nikhil Gulati, a professor of English, is going to teach you the best way to learn English that will help you to achieve your goals. To be honest, the best way to learn English is to speak English. The more you speak, the more you learn and you will become confident. There are a lot of misconceptions about learning English. Let me bifurcate in 7 different points to make you understand. The first point, setting up a goal. Think what you are looking forward for. Are you looking forward to be able to converse like a native English speaker? Do you want to be able to understand and read the English literature? Or do you want to be able to write in English well? Set a target for yourself, and that's how you will achieve. Well, the second point is to set up a method for yourself. There are many ways to learn English, such as attending online or offline sessions, using online resources, using books and audio materials. Choose a method that works best for you. The third part, make a plan. You would need to execute a plan in which you can spare certain amount of time each day for your English speaking. Don't forget to use writing and reading activities as well. The fourth part is practice speaking. You do need to find a partner for yourself with whom you can try speaking without any hesitation. You can also use the online tools such as Skype, Google Meet, Google Hangouts, and many more to have a conversation with someone around the globe. The fifth part is to listen to English, which means you would need to browse some listening resources. Listen to English radio or podcast or any sort of music. That will help you to be more familiar with the sounds of the language. Sixth part is to read in English. For this, you would need to read a newspaper, a book, and a magazine. This will help you to become more familiar with the grammar and the vocabulary of the language. The last but not the least, the 7th point is to watch television movies or shows in English, which will help you to be more confident to speak in English with anyone. It's also important to remember of being patient, as learning a new language takes time and efforts. With time, practice and persistency will help you to grow. The key is to keep motivated and keep practicing. Well, that's all for this lesson. I will see you in another lesson. Thank you.